Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we have an unboxing video. So anyway, this is what I've been using for school on my iPad and my Macbook, which is like 7 years old. I got it in like 2014, so it's like an early 2014 MacBook Air. And today I'm wearing my rainbow shirt because my mom bought me a new MacBook and some additional stuff. So I bought it online yesterday, and then after that I went to collect it this morning. And that was like a whole big ordeal because my temperature was above 37.5 because I was way too excited to get a MacBook. So I had to go back to the car, drink a bunch of water, wipe my face with facial wipes and blow the aircon in my face. And then after I go to Robinson's and pee. And then my temperature became 36.5. So, yep, that's what happened. And the most important part is I managed to get it. So, okay, here we have the new MacBook Pro and this magic keyboard for the iPad. So okay, we'll start with the smaller one. So this is my Leatherman, and if you want to see a review of this, I can do one. But this makes it fun to unbox stuff. Wow. I just realized there's a pull tab here that I totally didn't use. Yes. Yeah, this is a $439 Sing dollars. Alright. Look at that. Can you see it? Yeah, I suppose you can. More ASMR. Okay. So it looks like this. And it floats like this. Oh, there's more stuff. This is empty, I suppose. This is empty. There's a design by Apple in California. What's this? Yeah, maybe stick your magic keyboard on. Alright. So, stick your iPad on. That's what I said wrong. Okay, so we have my iPad and this Versa cover that I use. Then let's try it out. So this is the 2018 iPad, but it also fits, so check it out. Oh, check that out. Oh, that is very nice. Look at that. Wow. Let's open up like Notion. Let's make a new document. Oh, look at that keyboard. Oh, and the trackpad. Oh, that looks nice. So this is how to help me improve my productivity with my iPad, because yeah, having a keyboard really makes it much more usable. And they're improving the iPad OS, so yeah, so that I can use Notion with it. Yeah. Wow. Okay, this is very nice. Yeah, it does kind of make your iPad like heavier though, because it's a full-size keyboard, but I take that for the nice typing experience any day. Yeah, okay. Okay, now let's look at the MacBook Pro. So obviously I don't have to use my knife because there's a pull tab. Yes, look at me, genius. ASMR. Yeah, put it close to the mic. Yes, this is the Apple process of it sliding open really slow. There we go. China Air. China Air. Here we have it. Wow, that does look really nice. So this is the 4-port model. From advice from my mom, she convinced me to buy it. And other stuff, USB-C. So now I can charge both my devices with the same cable. I don't carry so many anymore. Some paper and silver Apple stickers. I don't know why everyone shows these on cameras. There's no point really. Who uses them? I'm gonna stick one here. No, I'm not. Apple Malaysia service card. Yeah, it's very useful. And then, okay. More ASMR. That was not satisfying at all. I said it wrongly. Okay, more ASMR. I have my whole family watching actually, so we have a live audience today. Okay, so yeah, basically just stick it in. Obviously you can see my hands shaking because I'm kind of nervous. Okay, it's good. So this is the 4-port model, the MacBook Pro 2020. Yeah, I know that we're going to switch to ARM processors, but my Mac really cannot make it ready because this thing is 7 years old. 6 actually, 2014 to 2020. So, but it's been like doing me good. My Excel sheets with 66,000 records don't really work very well anymore. So, we got a new MacBook Pro. And I know my friends told me to get a MacBook Air, but I got a MacBook Pro instead. My mom convinced me. This is a 4-port model, so there are extra cooling vents because there are 2 fans inside, so the heat management is way better. And yeah, this is, this video is going to be the first video I'm editing on this, so see whether that ever hits YouTube. Yeah, as usual, Apple will start automatically when you open it. I don't know how to do that. Okay. My mom is whispering to my grandma, $3,000. Yes, this is 2,549, and then that is the Magic Keyboard is 439, so that makes 2,998. Something around there. My math is failing. I'll put the number somewhere if I feel like it. Yeah, preferred language English. Oh my god, this screen is so much better than this screen. Just take a look. They're like kind of the same size, but you can see the form factor is like really different. Like this is so small. But it's the same screen with USB-C. And look, with my amazing talking, could you pass me a piece of tissue? With my amazing talking, there's a piece of spit right here. Okay, good. All is good. This has the Magic Keyboard, touch bar. This is honestly kind of useless. Touch ID, and there's a massive trackpad. You can see the size difference in the trackpad. It's basically two times bigger. Yeah, I didn't want to switch to butterfly switch because everyone says it's terrible. Can't wait for Macs to everyone calls this the potato cam because it's 720p. Can't wait for it to upgrade, and then after that we have Face ID with Macs. That'd be great. So maybe the ARM processors, then we can get that. So even though it's kind of toxic to upgrade from the 2-port model to the 4-port model, there are some benefits, like from the 8th gen CPU to the 10th gen CPU, as well as like better speakers, better cooling because there are 2 fans. Because it's the 10th gen model, then it's compatible with LPDDR4 RAM, so it's faster RAM, 3733 MHz. So I have a 16 gig RAM and 512 SSD. But yeah, that's basically it for my unboxing video. And yes, I'm a toxic Apple fan and I pay the Apple tag. I don't know what to say anymore. Alright, that's it for my review. Thanks for watching, guys. I love you all. Peace.